Okay, so as governments make interventions in response to the coronavirus pandemic, businesses are rapidly adjusting to the changing
Ma!
needs and
Ma, may tao!
Pabili pong yelo.
ilan?
2.
Pagbentahan mo na yan.
Sorry, sir. Puntahan ko lang.
Nakalagay dito. Sige, Rap, go!
Pero you can just call me Peter po, which is short for Rafael. Yung pronouns ko po ay he, him. Tapos po, mahilig po ako sa films, music, art, fashion, and eating. Tapos yung favorite food ko po is banana kasi it reminds me po of my favorite color, which is blue. Yung thoughts ko po about sa online class is very different kasi nasanay po tayo sa face-to-face. So parang nalito po ako sa una pero
Tama? 1/3 2 minus x ito. 1/3 2 minus x din to. And this becomes 3/t. So that is 2 minus x all in all. Tama ba? Tama ba, Ralph?
Yes, ma'am.
Tama ba yung pagkaintindi ko? O pagkaintindi mo, Ralph? Tama ba yun? Tama ba yun?